In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order on Amazon Tamulane. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to Amazon.com. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop or laptop. If you're signed out, Amazon will ask you to log in before you can manage orders. Make sure you're using the correct account where the order was placed. Even if your interface is in another language like Tamil, the layout and icons will be in the same places so you can follow along visually. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click on Returns and Orders. This is your order history hub. You'll see a list of your recent purchases along with delivery estimates and order statuses. If you have many orders, you can scroll or use any available filters to quickly find the one you want to cancel. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct item by checking the product name, seller, quantity, and the expected delivery date. This helps avoid canceling the wrong item, especially if you placed multiple orders close together. Next, select the order you want to cancel. If the order contains several items, you'll be able to view each item within that order. Pay attention to the order status. If it says not yet shipped or preparing for shipment, cancellation is usually available. If it shows shipped or out for delivery, the cancel option may not appear because the package is already on its way. In that case, Amazon typically provides other options on the order page, but those are different from canceling before shipment. Now click on Cancel Order. This will open a cancellation screen where you can choose which items to cancel if the order includes multiple products. Some pages also include an optional drop-down to select a reason. While this is not required in every region, picking a reason can help keep your account history clear. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation. You should see an on-screen confirmation message, and you'll usually receive an email confirming that the order has been canceled. After canceling, refunds for prepaid orders are processed back to your original payment method. Timing can vary based on your bank or card, but you can track the status in your order details. If you don't see the cancellation confirmation, refresh the orders page and check the order status again. It should say canceled once it's complete. That's it. By going to Amazon.com, clicking Returns and Orders, selecting your order, and choosing Cancel Order, you can stop a purchase before it ships with just a few clicks.